oops, your Guzheng is not supposed to sound like that. That's because there's no bridge on the Guzheng. So this is a Guzheng bridge. So before we begin, there's a few things to note. You need to know the distance between the yueshan and the bridge, right? So sometimes for brands like Dunhuang, they have this paper little template for you to know where to place the bridge. However, we don't find that to be like very accurate, because what happens is during shipment and stuff like that, the paper may shift a little bit. So the best method is to use a measuring tape. Like, I'm going to give you some measurements and you are going to have it. I'm going to place the measurements in the link in the video description. And yeah, so basically, there's another thing you need to know is that the more you shift the bridge to the left, there's going to be more tension on the string, right? And the string might be easier to break, and you might find it difficult to press as well. However, if the bridge is shifted to the right, the sound may not be as crisp, but it will be easier for you to press. So we need to try to find a balance over here. Yeah, so based on the template that I've given you, right, that is the most suitable one that we find with our students after all the feedbacks and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go on with the setting up. The first step is to take a tuning wrench and loosen the strings. So you loosen it towards this direction, pull it towards you, right? Make sure that the tuning wrench is in the correct pin. Loosen all your strings. Okay, once you have loosened the string, we shall begin putting in the bridge. Put the Guzheng bridge underneath the string. And when you're doing that, try not to scratch the soundboard of the Guzheng. So the first one, this is 15.5 cm. Okay, it's a little bit shorter. Just try to shift to the left a little bit. Yeah, just roughly there. We will adjust the bridge again later. So the second bridge, right, so gently place this under the string, pull this away. Like this, like place it next to the bridge, somewhere around there. Don't worry, we will adjust the distance again. So after you lift up the string, right, you bring the bridge away from you and then slide it towards you this direction, alright? Like slide it towards you this direction. And then bring the bridge under the string and also swipe the other Guzheng strings in front so that the bridge does not sit on the other Guzheng string. Place it on the left of the previous bridge. So for every subsequent bridges, it should be on the left of the previous bridge. Alright, so the bridges are in between the string and the Guzheng soundboard. Alright, so the next step is to make sure that all the strings are evenly spaced out. Right, make sure that string number 13 is straight. From here down to the S cross, right, is straight. You can like go over to this side of the Guzheng and see, make sure that it's a straight line. And then the next thing is to make sure that all the strings are evenly spaced out. Like, for example, like if these two strings, like you can shift it a little bit up or down, you know, accordingly. So make sure that the space is even over here so that it's easier for you to play also. And the strings are not like kinked towards another direction. And the final step is to take out your measuring tape and make sure that the bridges to the yueshan, the distance is correct based on the template that I've given you. So you can shift it accordingly. Like try to lift up your string slightly and shift left and right like this to make sure that it's correct. And so the final step, you're going to tune your Guzheng. If you don't know how to tune your Guzheng, go and check out the video in the link in the description. I've done a tutorial on that before. So that's it for the video. Do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.